Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stew in a crock pot using an easy method. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef stew meat, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare your vegetables. Chop 1 large onion, 3 carrots, and 4 stalks of celery. Don't forget to dice 3 medium potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Finally, measure out 4 cups of beef broth and 1/2 cup of red wine for rich flavor. Now that your ingredients are prepped, it's time to assemble your stew in the crock pot. Start by placing the 2 pounds of beef stew meat evenly at the bottom. Then, layer all your chopped vegetables, including the onion, carrots, celery, and potatoes, directly over the meat. Carefully pour in the 4 cups of beef broth and 1/2 cup of red wine. Finish by seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. With all the ingredients in, it's time to let your crock pot do the work. Securely place the lid on your crock pot. For best results and maximum flavor development, cook your stew on the low setting for 8 to 10 hours. If you're in a bit more of a hurry, you can cook it on the high setting for 4 to 6 hours. The stew is ready when the beef is wonderfully fork tender. Your stew is almost ready to enjoy. For a thicker consistency, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Stir this mixture into the hot stew during the last 30 minutes of cooking time. Let it simmer until it reaches your desired thickness. Serve your warm, hearty stew immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.